Hey, just a quick look at the online learning resources provided by Moodle and how to upload documents for your class to access. So if you come to the cork.etbonline.ie, if you don't have an account already for this, John Healy or myself, Aisling Quinn, can set this up. So just email us, no problem. We'll set it up and set up a course if you don't have one already. So if you go to the login button, using the account you've been provided with by John or myself, log in with your username and your password. Probably a good idea to check the remember username just for the next few weeks. So log into the course that you've been assigned, and this will be different for each person. Okay, now as a teacher role in this, you should be able to see this turn editing on button. If you don't, we've just set you up as the wrong type of user, so come back to us and we'll make sure to turn that on. So if you turn on the editing, what we're going to do is change or add, in this case, that we want to upload a document. So we add an activity. Now there's a big selection of stuff here. We're certainly not going to use them all right now. We're just coming down at the end to a file. Okay, so we do file, add, and so this is going to point to what's the name of the file. So you can put up whatever you like. So work for Thursday, demo, work for Monday, things like this. Scroll down and put in your description, whatever that may be. This is a quick assignment for Monday. And then you can either drag and drop, but it's just as easy, to be honest, just to do add file, upload a file. I'm going to choose which file we're going to upload, and you'll gain access then to your own computer, to your desktop. Okay, so I have a lot of mess here, but I did call one demo file to upload. So just click on the file you wish to upload, open, upload this file. You see the document there. Scroll down. You don't need to mess with anything here. Don't change anything. Save and return to course, and you will find there's your document. Turn your editing off, but it's okay, the students won't see any editing anyway, but just for your own sake. And now, and the students come in, they'll see this, just like that. Click on it, and it will download the file for them to be able to access. You can open the file, and they can work away.